The biggest thing you should fear in your life is that you waste your life, this one chance that you get. It's like pure magic. And yet what do you do with it? You shit all over it. You take this magical thing, and what have you done with it? You're gonna punch the clock for 8-9 hours a day for 40 years of your life, doing work you have no emotional connection to, doing work that isn't serving the universe or the world in any especially important way. I challenge you to live a noble life.
This is enough now.